This problem is going to be covering the state of economy, calculating for variance, expected return, and standard deviation. First off, we have three different groups: boom, normal growth, and recession. And then we're going to have different probabilities for each of these in this tab, and then our holding period rate, and then what we're going to do is get the probability of our 33% holding period. So once again, it's color coded and these are all given. So 0.3, 0.3, 0.4, holding period is 33%, 19%, and negative 15%. All you do is you multiply each of those by one another. You can do that, and then you can simply just drag this down. You'll get the answer to all of them. Then you're going to calculate for the sum of these, which gives you 0.096, which that will be your expected return. Now calculating for a variance, going to be a little tricky here. What you're going to do is you're going to take your first probability of boom, and you're going to multiply that by your first holding period percentage minus your 9.6 expected return that we just calculated for, squared, plus our normal growth probability times our second holding period rate of 19% minus our 9.6% squared, plus our final probability of recession of 0.4 times our last holding period return percentage of negative 15% minus our 9.6% expected return squared, which will give you 0.043284. Now, to calculate for the standard deviation is super easy. We just did the hardest part. All we'll do is take the square root of our variance, and we're given 20.805% for our standard deviation.